This video is brought to you by Cleary & Co Solicitors. The topic of today's video is Irish citizenship. In this video you will find information about how you can qualify for Irish citizenship, the spouse civil partner of an Irish citizen's application, the citizenship ceremony, applying for Irish citizenship, refusal reasons and more. If you have questions about applying for Irish citizenship, the laws governing Irish citizenship and how they apply to your individual facts, we can help. Applying for Irish citizenship, application process and naturalisation Ireland. People who have come from outside of Ireland can apply for citizenship via the naturalisation process. The Minister for Justice has the power to grant Irish citizenship to a non-national under Section 14 of the Irish Nationality and Citizenship Act 1956. Certain legislative conditions must be met for eligibility to be satisfied. Proof of legal residence in Ireland for 5 years for a non-EEA or EU or Swiss national is necessary. Criteria for applying are: you must be of full age, 18 or older, or be a minor born in the state, are of good character, you must satisfy the residency conditions, intend to live in Ireland, and you must attend a citizenship ceremony and make the declaration of fidelity. Periods of time to study or engage in a course in Ireland are not reckonable periods of residency. Stamp 1 permission is reckonable for residence calculation. If you are the spouse or civil partner of an Irish citizen and wish to apply for Irish citizenship, separate conditions of naturalisation rules exist. Proofs for each years of residence must be provided. The onus is on the applicant to furnish evidence of reckonable residence. Citizenship FAQs. What is the citizenship application fee? The application fee is €175. What is the certificate of naturalisation? The Minister for Justice can grant citizenship to a person who is not an Irish citizen by bestowing on him or her a certificate of naturalisation. What is the processing time for an Irish citizenship application? It can take time for the processing of the application and can take approximately 23 months. Irish citizenship through grandparents. If your grandparent was born in Ireland, you can apply for citizenship by descent in circumstances where the applicant was born outside of Ireland. If a grandparent was born outside of Ireland but was an Irish citizen, an applicant who is born outside of Ireland can apply for citizenship. The person, i.e. the applicant, can seek to become an Irish citizen by applying to be entered onto the Foreign Birth Register. You will need relevant documents both for yourself but also for your grandparent you are being based the application on. The fee to the Department of Foreign Affairs for the application plus certificate is €270. Garda Síochána national vetting. If you are applying for citizenship by naturalisation, it will be necessary to detail any offences a person may have had in any country. Applicants will be asked to undertake the Garda e-vetting process. Change of address. If you change your address, it is necessary to complete the change of address form and submit it to the Immigration Service delivery. Irish citizenship refusal reasons. The Minister under Section 15 of the Irish Nationality and Citizenship Act 1956 has absolute discretion to grant or refuse a certificate of naturalisation, hence to confer Irish citizenship on the applicant. There is no appeals mechanism provided under the legislation. The unsuccessful applicant shall be provided with reasons for the refusal. Persons are entitled to the refusals of natural justice, constitutional justice, and access to the courts to have naturalisation decisions judicially reviewed. Judicial review. If your application for Irish citizenship has been refused, there is no appeal. Judicial review proceedings in the High Court have a very short time frame for initiation. It is best to speak with your solicitor to discuss if such proceedings are prudent or not. Citizenship and Irish Associations application. Section 16 of the Irish Nationality and Citizenship Act 1956 gives the Minister for Justice the power to grant a certificate of naturalisation in circumstances where the applicant is of Irish descent or Irish associations. The term Irish associations means that the person is related by blood, affinity or adoption, or is a civil partner of a person who is an Irish citizen. Citizenship of refugee applicant. Article 35 of the Geneva Convention 1951 states, the contracting states shall as far as possible facilitate the assimilation and naturalisation of refugees. They shall in particular make every effort to expedite naturalisation proceedings and to reduce as far as possible the charges and costs of such proceedings. The Minister for Justice can grant naturalisation and citizenship to all foreign nationals including refugees. Dual citizenship. Ireland permits dual citizenship. You can become an Irish citizen and maintain citizenship of another country. Stamp 6 is what one can obtain if an Irish citizen with dual citizenship. Spouse or civil partner of Irish citizen application. The Minister for Justice can grant an application for citizenship regarding a non-national civil partner or spouse. A number of naturalisation conditions have to be met to succeed this application, and the marriage must exist for at least 3 years before the application is made. Again, the applicant must be of full age, be of good character, intend to live in Ireland, make a declaration of fidelity to the nation, and must meet residency conditions in addition to the marriage existing period at least 3 years. Citizenship application. No citizenship of another country. If a person is not entitled to citizenship of another country and was born in Ireland, they are entitled to Irish citizenship. In an application for a certificate of nationality, the person must show they have no citizenship of another country. Citizenships of adopted children. If either parent or a married couple is an Irish citizen and an adoption order was made under Section 3 of the Adoption Act 2010, the adopted child who is not already entitled to Irish citizenship is entitled to Irish citizenship. Irish Citizenship Ceremony. If you are successful in your application, you can receive an invitation to this ceremony. Before this, there is a certificate fee that you will have to pay. Once you obtain your certificate of naturalisation, you can then apply for a passport. Disclaimer: please be advised that the mentioned material is intended as an overview and as a broad outline of the topic discussed. It should not be considered as complete and comprehensive legal advice nor act as an appropriate substitute. Due care has been taken in the publication of this video, and we do not accept legal liability as a result of reliance on any material covered in the video.